but
So where are you guys from?
from the Netherlands.
From where?
Grootammers, but you probably don't know the little village.
Yeah, I'm from a total different place, so it's
Spelled differently, probably.
yeah, it's not different.
He's from above in the country, and I'm
Yeah,
from,
from the
the
north.
middle in South Holland. Yeah.
And what
That's
got you up for this sunrise film walk?
Well, learning to
workshop.
film better on your mobile phone. It's like you always have it. And when you learn with studying journalism, you learn filming with a camera, but not like with your phone. Well, your phone is always in your pocket. So
Brilliant. Have you done any mobile journalism films before?
No, I did some vlogging. That's why I bought this camera, but or phone. I didn't do it for journalism.
So what kind of stories do you think we're going to find out here in sleepy Perugia?
like sleepy Perugia waking up.
Well, there's these film walkers, those guys, those crazy people.
They only film sunrise, I think.
We want to film the sunrise, but there's all this traffic as well. So kind of have choice. Plus you can get coffee. So there's coffee, so that's being made. There's the guys, right, cleaning up. She's getting a story, doing an interview. So much possibilities. Only one sunrise.
But the sunrise is great out here.
It's going to be awesome.